Welcome to FikkyFinance, where money meets motivation. Here, we grow your wealth and strengthen your mindset. Get ready to master your money and unlock your potential. How to earn with blogging in 2026. Blogging isn't dead. It's evolving. Here's how to start a profitable blog in 2026. Step 1. Pick a niche: finance, lifestyle, tech. Step 2. Create a blog with WordPress or Wix. Step 3. Write SEO-optimized articles using tools like Surfer SEO. Step 4. Monetize with Google AdSense, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. Finally, promote via Pinterest and Facebook groups. Hit like, subscribe, and share if you're learning. Blogging builds authority and passive income. Want the full blogging guide with sites and tools? Comment blog. Thanks for watching FikkyFinance, where we grow your money and your mindset. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insights that move you forward. See you in the next video. Stay inspired, stay financially smart.